And the last thing now that I want to show before we actually start developing is the linter. So the linter is going to show us the best practices and what errors we should correct. So not errors, but it's kind of errors. Not that the app is broken, but it's more like to make sure that everything is actually okay. So for that, we're just going to run npm run lint. You can see this command here in the README. So we have a bunch of explanations, and that's why we use this, the optimization. Doesn't matter now. I never use this, but this is probably another way we can check our TypeScript. But this is what I wanted to show. So as you see, case of fundamental syntax issues and all of that. And we can see we have a bunch. And the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm not probably going to ever use the tests. But yeah, who knows later on. But for me, I'm just going to come to this file and comment, save and close, and those errors are gone. And now in here, let me just put this back like we were. So we are grabbing the wallets, and the first thing we see the error is the message box. So we are not using it. As you see, it's not an error, but we probably are loading things that we don't want. And what we have more. So processes must be awaited. And this means that this line, we are basically returning a promises, and a way of circumventing this would be like 10, but we don't want that because we don't even are receiving anything. So we can just put void, and that one is gone. And now these ones is which I wanted to show. That is, we start having our own types. So right now, if we come here and do JSON data, we don't have anything of the properties, and this is going to be great because we're going to have that. So what is advised is to create a folder called types, and I'm going to call my file portfolio because that's the name of my API. And yes, and in here I'm going to export a new type called wallet, and I think it's like this. Okay, and we can grab all of these, but yeah, like this. As you see, I just have two properties, and I just created the type. And now I can just come here, line 16, like it's complaining, because it's saying this is of any type. But actually you want the type wallet. So it automatically imported from types, and I'm not sure if this is the most correct to load. Let's see. It seems that we don't have a problem, but I'm going to do in another way, since at least okay, so maybe this is TypeScript and we don't have a problem, and I'm used to JavaScript where you should put normally all your namespace. But if we had problems like this, we could put like this, and we also would be able to import by the namespace. Actually, I don't know which one is better, and looking at the base controller, probably we are fine with the previous way of doing it.